Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, we stay on the shorter time frame here in this video because Bitcoin didn't move much today, but it so far is fulfilling the analysis or cooperating at least well with the Elliott Wave count that we talked about in the previous video. The market did it push a little higher, maybe just a tiny bit higher after the last video. That causes me to adjust here the support area, the standard support region here on the chart, but Bitcoin made a new all-time high, is now consolidating in the all-time high region, continues to be in price discovery, and that's pretty bullish, okay? And this also caused a lot of altcoins to run yesterday, and it's quite a bullish market at the moment. And Bitcoin is currently holding support, so we continue to focus on higher as long as two key levels are holding, and we want to talk about these two key levels right now. First of all, what is our relevant interpretation of the microstructure here? So my perspective is that the move to the upside is an ending diagonal. Started here on the 5th of March. We formed here a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 to the downside. This is an A, B, and we could now be in the C wave to the upside of wave 3, then we need to get a wave 4 and a wave 5. This is the preferred interpretation of the microstructure. I have some other ideas, but first of all, we need to keep it simple. And then, to be honest, the support areas are fairly similar. And the two levels that I mentioned do cover most relevant short-term scenarios. And at the moment, the idea is that this move up that started on the 5th of March is ending something. We have a lot of overlapping price action. It looks very corrective. That typically indicates that, we are sort of in the fifth wave of something. And the idea is that we are ending with this move to the upside, basically this larger third wave, which should then lead to a fourth wave pullback afterwards. But for now, we are still pushing higher. And the market is holding above relevant support levels, which means we continue to stay on the right side here of the trend as the trend is up. So minimum target for this third wave, which might be unfolding right now, is 76,289. This is the minimum target, the 1.236 extension. Better would be a move to the 1.38 extension at 77,780. As mentioned in the last video, then we should get a wave 4 pullback and a wave 5 to the upside. That could even reach the 80K region there. So that's all in line with the previous update. So what is, however, the, what are the key levels? So if we then look at the microstructure here in wave C of 3, because we're dealing with a diagonal, so we're dealing with ABC structures in the subwaves. We had here, after this wave 2 bottomed, another AB structure, and now the C wave to the upside could be unfolding. The C wave to the upside is a 5-wave pattern. And we completed the initial 1-2 setup. The third wave could be unfolding right now, might be nearly done. Obviously also here reach the ideal target range. Yep, might get one more high, but I think we are pretty much there. And then the wave 4 pullback, might have started, might unfold tomorrow or so. But the idea is that we can focus on higher more directly as long as the 69,955 level is holding. So it's the 50% retracement level of that rally, which started here on Monday. Actually on Monday. So we had here basically a 1-2 setup, and this could now be the third wave, which again reached the ideal target, the 1.38 extension. It's the ideal target for such a third wave. And then fourth wave support area is clear. And then we should get from here one more high in wave 5. Then we can look at in the completion of this larger third and another 4 and 5. So that means the first indication that a top of sorts is in place, and not within this wave count, but a larger top, which causes us to break support. First indication would be a break below 69,955, which means that if we break below that level, I have to reinterpret the chart, microstructure at least. And then, below that level, it might still form maybe another 1-2 setup or something. So that's why I have the red line. That is really the make or break point for this direct upside scenario. because a break below the red line would indicate that even a 1-2 setup from here will be invalidated. And that level is at 67,150 pretty much. So yeah, these are the key levels to watch for on the Bitcoin chart. Don't think we need to make it much longer. I think, we still haven't seen here clear evidence that a wave 4 pullback has started, and therefore one more extension maybe in this smaller third wave is possible. And if that happens, then 73,040 is next resistance, and above that level 73,896. That's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.